How to turn on or turn off SmartThings suggestion notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connected devices. After that, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on SmartThings. After that, tap on the menu button at the bottom corner, then go to the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now once you are in SmartThings setting, tap on suggestion notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off suggestion notifications. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key to return back to your SmartThings. SmartThings here. Now you can also access the settings from the app. So if you go into the app screen and then tap on Samsung, then tap on SmartThings, you will be able to access to the same app. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.